Caliper installation on a Nissan Hardbody. Caliper seized. There's the pad. Ooh, what's wrong with that pad? Wait, something's wrong. Show him. See if you can see the other pad. There's the front pad. Can't really see it. Take it out. Guys, take a look at the front pad. It's almost full of life. It's like half-life. And guys, take a look at the rear pad. That one's, there's nothing there, which tells me the caliper seized up. Piston seized up. Alright guys, let's take off that bracket and then we'll go from there. Do you want it tight on there? Okay.
There's nothing holding this right now.
Guys, this is the first time I see this. They use two different sizes on the bracket. So the long one goes on the top, short one goes on the bottom. Okay. Nissan. Puts over here.
Pliers from my
pliers. Okay. Guys, we're gonna change the whole rotor. So we gotta remove the axle. No, it wouldn't be an axle nut. It would just be the hub nut.
Yeah.
So that the hub comes off. Then we can get to the disc. Guys, take a look at the damage that the brake pads caused to the rotor. Is it coming? It's not. Okay guys, we took the cotter pin off the cover and removed the nut.
It's in the grease.
Alright. Save the nut right where in the grease right here. Alright. Just put it right here for now. Okay. Now we're gonna remove the bearing.
There's a washer and there's just a bearing.
Wow.
There's a washer. And there's a bearing there.
And the bearing. My hand's not clean, hold on. Okay guys, so we removed the disc off the truck, and now we have to take the disc off the hub. These bolts are pretty tight. I'll have to find the torque spec for those, huh?
Probably.
Alright.
Hey.
Alright guys, we got the new rotor on the hub. We're just getting the screws back in. I'll show you the old one, how it's all worn down. Has grooves and the brake pads caused some damage with the caliper being seized up. I was gonna resurface these, but it was cheaper to buy them brand new. So yeah, alright guys, keep you updated. Alright guys, we gave them a quick torque, but we're just gonna make sure they're tight. We don't want them falling off on the road.
I gotta flip it.
Yep. Yeah, right there. Oh yeah, these aren't going nowhere. Alright guys, we're gonna reassemble it right now. And yeah, make sure it's clean in there before we put the bearing back on. Bearing looks like it's in good condition. Right here. Here's the bearing. Alright guys, same process. It's going back on. Bearing goes in first. Then the washer. What's next?
Nut.
Of course. It's pretty clean. Well, let me wipe it down a bit.
Return.
Yeah.
Nothing wrong with grease.
I see something in there, but
I see it too.
okay. See if it, yeah, it should go. That's gonna go back on. So guys, take a look at this, guys. It's only gonna go in hand tight. This does not go torqued. Guys, take a look how tight he's gonna. See, you guys see that? Alright guys, so the rotor and hub are back on. Torqued by hand, and we're getting the bracket on for the new caliper because this caliper seized up. We got the new brake pads coming too. Okay, so we got the caliper on the bracket, brand new pads on, rotor's nice and clean. Now we're gonna change the brake line from the old caliper to the new caliper.